Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron. We got a problem that everybody's aware of, but nobody really talks about. And that's the fact that this industry and this hobby is slowly dying. Now, I went through my analytics on my YouTube channel the other day, and what it basically tells you is how many males, how many females, different stuff about the people that actually watch the videos. The one thing I noticed is 98.3% of my audience, people that watch my videos, is 55 and older. Okay? Which is great. I appreciate every last single one of you. And this is not a video of me trying to get more subscribers or more views or what have you. It's the fact that I know how I feel most mornings, and once you get over 55, your clock's ticking. Let's be honest. You know what I mean? We need to get the younger generation involved in this hobby if we want it to survive. Now, I go to a lot of different car shows, and some of them have stuff for the kids, which is great. But I've noticed that it's usually basically, activities for kids 12 and younger. There's nothing for the kids that are early teens to early 20s. And those are the ones that we need to be concentrating on. They're the ones that are looking for their first car, and they're the ones that are going to be more easily brought into the hobby. And if you've got young teens or kids of any age, take them to a car show every once in a while. Take them out to the garage, help them. Try to get them interested in this hobby is what it amounts to. Now, do I have the magic solution? No. I would love to hear your guys' ideas on this, and leave a comment below or email me directly. I'd really like to know how many of you guys and girls are trying to get the younger generation involved, because it's the only way they're going to survive. I don't understand. Well, maybe they are, but I haven't seen anything to where you think that a lot of these bigger companies and corporations that are in this industry or in this hobby, they'd be trying to concentrate on getting the younger generation involved. And I really haven't seen too much, if anything. So I guess that means that it's up to us. All we can do is the best we can do and try to keep this going. I mean, it's sad. You'll see a guy that at the car shows and stuff, and all of a sudden you don't see him anymore, and you see his car for sale because he passed away. And, a car that he's loved and cherished sometimes since he's been out of high school, just for sale because none of the kids, grandkids, or family want it. They don't want anything to do with the hobby. We need to change that. I told my son, when we get rumbles going, when I die, I want to be cremated and turned into a shifter knob. I said, that way if he ever gets rid of it, I can haunt him the rest of his life. It's a matter of starting them young and sticking with it. A lot of these kids, to be quite honest, a lot of these kids are hiding in their room playing video games because the parents and their siblings don't want to deal with them. Get involved is the best way that we can move forward with this. Go to the hobby shop, buy a model, sit down with your kids and build a model with them. Like I said, take them to car shows, take them to drag races, take them to dirt track races. And if they decide that they want to build one of those drift cars where tires are sitting out like this and stuff like that, hey, God bless her, turn the wrench, you know what I mean? So that's all I wanted to say. Get involved. If you're getting your kids involved, I'd really like to hear from you. So either shoot me an email or leave a message down below. I just might pick somebody, go out, and we'll do a video on you guys and how the whole family's involved. I think it would be kind of cool. But till then, we'll see you next time.